Mamima Akwaba Eba Ghana SMTVGH and say happy new month to you also. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for following us, and thank you for commenting. Thank you so much. Now let's go into the story. Ebushanfo, eviase we on. When you are moved to do something, please do it. So long as you believe within yourself, say, a day person we know, depano. Don't let anybody tell you, say, don't do it. And I say, kakra. And I say, any ye, and all those things. No, don't entertain such people around you. Now, the reason I'm saying this is, you say me a motivational speaker or something like that. Yes, how it is because of Free Senior High School. Yeah. Ebra, President Akufo Addo. Sorry, say, me first year, he was going to start the Free Senior High School so that Ghanaian students, Ghanaian children, no, they will not stay at home because of Uniska, because you are from a poor background, because you are coming from a poor place. So that Obia Ofri Ketekrachi can go to Prempe College. Obia Ofri and Nyakpanduri can go to Adisco. People were telling Akufo Addo say, oh, it's too early. And I mine niska who start the other way say, how can you do your other projects? But Akufo Addo said, I have made a promise. I have given a promise to the people. And it's because of that promise, Entina, Oma Votia Mami. And whether it is going to cause financial stress or whether we don't have the money yet or whatever it takes, no. I'm starting Free Senior High School in my first year, and I'm starting it all regions. I'm not going to leave any region out of it. And the children started going to school September 2017, first batch of Free Senior High School. Now, the kind of reports I received from batch 4, no, it was so positive. And I had a buffer stock buy to make sure say food will not short our schools. No. Now after 2020, no, because of COVID, I say our funding for the Free Senior High School and staff, no, I say a from kakra, there were challenges. NDC for the year did this. But you see, and near Hekasano, we are receiving beautiful stories from the Free Senior High School Akufo Addo started. Guess what? Akolabia a friend of Francisca. Lamini Obibisa no. Free Senior High School product from Keta School. Keta Senior High School ewo ho. Ewo Keta. Minyanka ewo ho. She has gone through Free Senior High School. She has graduated. And after graduating from Free Senior High School, Akufo Addo starting or US. Now, she went to US. She went to Harvard Pre-Medical School. And she had just graduated as the best student for the pre-medical school. Product of Akufo Addo's Free Senior High School. NDC forecast say, sa senior high school I started no, and I entren kolana adie, and a bibia sa, and bibia ni ho, and a diani ni schools no, and a teachers any schools no, and I no, a gold, and I obi, I didn't collaborate school 1 month, no, bet enough 3 months. We were seeing WASI results that we had not seen in previous years. And a matter of record, say, under Akufo Addo no, WASI no, the children were doing better. English, inter-science, social studies, and a commerce mo. A core subject no. Before Akufo Addo came, we were seeing useless results. Sorry for using useless, by the way. But now, what me one result now to me say now private schools to be now many just say oh no deck for beba. But because of the quality of education and the seriousness Akufo Addo attached to Free Senior High School, and now we are seeing the product of it. People are becoming doctors, architects, engineers. Beautiful stories all around. And now make us say, if you know you are inspired to do something, The moment air the panel, don't let anybody talk down on you. Use the Akufo Addo story as a point of motivation. Now I'm going to say Akufo Addo nso de or your MPP ni. Eza. Aha. And the upeze unya some motivation na MPP will not hold back. We don't hold back on you. Charlie, come and join MPP. Eza. Thank for now. Ezuza. Uyemiza. Omuye na juma bianyo. Omuye na policy bianyo. Omuye na come kwa. How can you join such people? What are you going to do there? They have nothing better to give you. Ebusian for maybe sounds to say, when we said on SMTVGH, we are a community, right? And that is why your feedbacks are important. That's why we respond to your feedbacks and everything. But also we need help with some of our gadgets. We need help with our studio that we want to move to and all those things. And now, the number is on your screen. Yeah, right here. Okay. Yeah, right here. That is the number. We would accept it. The other time someone sent me 50 Ghana cedis. I was so happy. So happy. Yes. So thank you so much for your contributions. Please keep helping us. Edamasi.
Muma President John Mahama. Until I say we're failing the second time we. He is a failure. That is the fact. Because ultimately for road away and find your excuse. It's a lie. That is your responsibility as a governor. As a governor, that is your responsibility. Your responsibility is obey your road. That is your responsibility. It won't mean for road big push and find your excuse. That is your responsibility. Won't mean for hospitals and schools are woozy and find your excuse. That is your responsibility as a governor. Some road now, oh yeah, no MPP ayebi. School MPP SCB. Hospitals MPP SCB. So what is your problem? What is your problem? Actually, what is your problem? You are a failure. What failure? To be an country wa me ko se me catch what failure? What in a classroom? Maybe say 1+1 saying. What say you 3? What failure and I won't failure? Who opposition? What's a what power? Obey 24 hours economy am Ghana for. Oba ya won ye. What failure and I won't failure? What failure? You are a failure. You are a typically failure. What failure? What failure totally? That is the fact. Mahama yadio, yam bona baso, 10. Yam push Mahama 10. Uncle 10. Jana wire road. It's a wound fella. Mahama yadio, ye wire, ye man uncle 10. Uncle 10. And then a wire with hospital. Mahama yadio, ye wire. Woman protect them, and then all your big push. Ah, now when I get to 10 people on your road, when I get to 10 people in hospitals, when I get to 10 people, start big push on your be. And to get afford echo about Tiano. I didn't tell you to near Jumaya. What say your Bob Rabaya, Daddy Maya, or the Faha. We are from Sawayadi. We are seriously. We are position. What's sayable? Nurses bring you to my teachers bring you to my what papa will be at it. 24 hours economy policy. 1 year. What's the Yambo Abaso? What's the Yambo Abaso? Yamo 10 Ben. 10. Ah, what they quay? 10 no they quay. 8 years cry, 8 years 1 year, now 4 years no baby. 8 years no baby no. O policy ba ko cry by 1 year. Now 4 years now young farmer no baby. Woman no dwene. What ba power inflations were down. And so dem aboa yedin. Wo power inflations were down. And so yenta de. 2024 I say economy me asai, economy mu ayede no na Ghanaian citizens kula na wo mu compreni say yenta wo mu ade. Ba na ne boye din say dem kula na yeto. Insise ye be na MPP and the MPP 2024. Wo mu di go akomo na nyema bo ayede ba na say na wo moto. Na inflation is akotop ba say na wo moto ade. Ba wo kwa wo ba power inflation is aba down but say na nyema bo ayede. Say na yenta ade. Ye ka wo say mama yenka. Ya see yenta ade. Mr. President, ya see yenta ade nti for we na go form. For we na go form. That is my problem. Bring the 24 hours economy. So one fast 24 hours economy na mba uhumi ye. And nti na mimiti na toto aba ma o. Nti me wo right say me bisa o. Forget na obi baka o. Ye hu obi aye. What are you saying? Yamna me so yamna me dito so. Dia na wa yama o man Ghana ye ba be so. Dia pa na nti wu second coming of President John Dramani Mahama yama o man Ghana ye ba be bona ba so ye be so no so. Tie ni o. Ti asem we yi. Obi atenase. Aye Global Institute of Mines and Safety atenase. Akase bia wo pe mines adwuma aye. Ana wo pe construction adwuma aye. Wo pe se wuchi excavator ba wo ni michi a. Ma bia school. Iti wo ye Ghana ni a. Bra na benya ntete ye pa e wo mi school no. Na wo school ni mu a opportunities betimi aba. To say mines opportunity beba. To say construction work opportunity beba. Na wo kwa kuchi excavator wo mines. And wo kwa kuchi excavator wo road so. Into open tete ya bra na be sua. You see this kind of brilliant. We're creating jobs. We're creating insanuma. Eh, my Ghana ni bia why na agent oba be excavator. And was also the one number can say number ni into wopa. For number no na gi more information so wo Ghana ni atenase. Edin sise ya pase. Edi egu akoma ma Ghana ni. As a president, the NSS was so ye. And sasa wo be 24 hours economy policy no. And sasa wo de beba. No obi obekwa aye Global Institute of Mines and Safety no. Okosua wi a na wa ba be ye adwuma no 24 hours economy nim. Na wa ba be ye. You are a failure. You are a failure. Mr. President, so far as I won 24 hours economy, you are a failure. You are a failure. What failure? Because 1 + 1 is 2, and yet 3. Say your 2 BCC, and your trust say, did President John Dramani Mahama do 24 hours economy? Yes or no? What you see, yes, sir. What failure? What you see, no, you are correct because I'm here. So you are a failure. Hello? Let me tell you, my woman,